Hello students, I am Biplab Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of Niteshwar Engineering College from MC Department since 2003. My interest research area is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is today's emerging technology. Today, I will show you a simple IoT based project that can detect human movement. This project is based on PIR, there is a pyroelectric sensor, there is a proximity sensor with Arduino development board. We show you the interface of PIR with Arduino Uno board. Students who have interest on programming and some basic knowledge of digital electronics can develop this project very easily. Some of the students of my MCBCA department perform their project work based on IoT. So let's start our project. Okay, students, today we will develop IoT project using PIR, pyroelectric sensor. This is PIR device with Arduino board. This is Arduino Uno board, and this PIR Bajar, this Peugeot Bajar, and LED. LED is the output device, and Bajar is the output device, and this is the main component of the sensor. The IoT is basically IoT is with controller, microcontroller board, and set of sensors, okay, and actuators. Now, to develop this project, first we should connect all devices that are used with microcontroller board. This PIR board, PIR controller, PIR sensor is basically sensor, passive sensor basically. This is 3 pin, okay. This is 3 pin. 1 pin for positive is we connect this positive pin. 1 for ground or negative is we should connect negative pin, and the middle pin is for output, okay. These 3 pins should connect with Arduino board. The ground should be connected with Arduino board ground. The middle pin should connect the interrupted port, interport 2, and positive should connect with 5 volt. We got it from Arduino board, right? So it is connected. Got it now? Okay. Next part. So next part, the output should shown in LED, okay. Actually LED is very important for displaying, for light up, okay. So connect LED with 13 number pin and ground, okay. 13 number pin and ground, connect it, and this the Bajar, you should connect black with ground, and these will be connected with 12 number pin. It is 12 number pin. Now it is connected. Now we have to connect, we have to program the computer. This is not very tough programming, it is very easy programming. The prerequisite knowledge for Arduino programming is just simple. Any programming like C or C++, whatever, we need actually knowledge about how to program. Very simple language, very simple language. Any students who have the interest on Arduino programming IoT, then they can develop this program, okay. Okay, now we have to program with Arduino board. To connect computer with Arduino board should connect the USB cable. This comes with Arduino board. And connect this cable, this blue cable, with USB port of computer. Okay, and after that you should open the Arduino development software, Arduino IDE, and write the simple program. This very simple program, and then compile this program, compile and upload the program. Is compiling Sketch. Programs are known as Sketch. Is working. Okay. Now our project is done. Now it is time to test whether it is working fine or not. Okay, let's wait. When I come to the place, nearby place, then it buzzer will beeps, and if I move, if I don't move, then it will not beeping. Okay, this is the outcome of the project. So this can be used in our daily life to save energy. If we try it for our balcony light or veranda light, is generally it is our light of balcony light or veranda light. It starts from evening. It is from 6 p.m. to midnight or throughout the night. And if we use this device, then we can save our 95% energy. Is we can save our electric bill, because it only works when mans come to your home, or it is passes through near about 6 foot from this PIR sensor, then it works. Otherwise it is idle. Idle time, this current energy required very less. And when we glow, we need to glow light, it sense, actually human sense, human movement, then it's light on LED or other device. Okay, if not move, then it will not work. Fine. So this is only one example, but we can use it for many examples, many devices also. Okay, thank you.